Welcome to BotStacks, your all-in-one platform for building AI-powered assistants that streamline customer interactions and boost efficiency. Whether you're a marketer, e-commerce manager, or customer service professional, BotStacks gives you everything you need to create a tailored, automated experience on your website. Let's start with the big picture. BotStacks is designed to make it easy for anyone, technical or not, to manage AI companions. Our Sequence Studio is the core of your AI's behavior, where you can create and customize conversational flows. Using a simple drag-and-drop interface, you can set up customer interactions, link APIs, and apply templates specific to your industry. Plus, you can access pre-built personas and templates to get up and running fast. Next is Brain Vault, your AI's knowledge source. This is where you store all the information that powers your chatbot, whether it's FAQs, product details, or knowledge documents. The Brain Vault ensures that your assistant can answer questions with real-time accuracy, providing a seamless experience for your users. Once you've set up your AI's behavior and knowledge, you can move into Dirtbox, our testing environment. Here, you can run simulations of your chatbot's conversations before going live, fine-tuning responses and ensuring your assistant is delivering the right information in the right way. It's all about making sure your AI is ready for prime time. On the front end, we offer companion kits, which allow you to easily integrate your chatbot into any platform, whether that's a website, mobile app, or chat widget. These customizable UI elements make it simple to match your brand and deploy your AI with no fuss. But what happens after the launch? BotStacks doesn't just stop at building AI. We also give you powerful tools for ongoing management. With transcripts, you get full visibility into every customer interaction, allowing you to review conversations, track performance, and continuously improve your assistant. Then there's analytics. Our real-time analytics dashboard lets you see how your AI is performing at a glance, tracking everything from customer satisfaction to engagement rates. This helps you spot trends, make data-driven decisions, and optimize the chatbot's efficiency over time. And if you're managing multiple assistants across different clients or departments, we've got you covered with centralized management tools. You can control multiple chatbots from a single interface, ensuring that every AI assistant is consistent and aligned with your business goals. To top it off, templates make it easier than ever to scale. These ready-made, industry-specific blueprints allow you to quickly launch new assistants without starting from scratch. Whether you're in e-commerce, customer service, or any other field, our templates can give you a head start and save valuable time. With BotStacks, you have everything you need to create, manage, and optimize AI assistants that enhance customer interactions and simplify your business. It's AI automation made easy.